From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish. Thailand, Thai green curry. The history of Thai green curry is a rich and aromatic tale, woven into the fabric of Thailand's culinary evolution. Its story does not begin with a single inventor or a specific royal decree, but emerges from a confluence of historical currents, cultural exchange, and regional ingenuity. To understand its origins, one must look back to a pivotal period in Thai history, the early 17th century, when European traders, particularly the Portuguese, introduced a key ingredient, the chili pepper. Prior to this, Thai cuisine relied on native peppercorns for heat. The vibrant green chili, with its fresh, sharp fire, was rapidly adopted and became a cornerstone of a new culinary palette. The heart of the curry, the complex paste known as gaeng, has far deeper roots dating back to a time before the nation was known as Thailand. These pastes, pounded by hand in stone mortars and pestles, form the soul of Thai cuisine. The specific combination for green curry, green chilies, lemongrass, galangal, lime zest, coriander root, garlic, and shrimp paste, represents a masterful balance of the essential Thai taste principles: spicy, salty, sweet, and sour. This art of paste making was refined over centuries within the royal courts of the ancient kingdoms of Ayutthaya and later Bangkok. The royal kitchens were renowned for their elaborate and sophisticated dishes, and it is widely believed that the refinement of various colored curries, including the green, was perfected there. The name green curry itself, Gaeng Keow Wan in Thai, offers a clue to its identity. Gaeng refers to a wide category of liquid-based dishes with a spiced paste, while Keow Wan literally translates to green sweet. The green is a direct reference to the fresh green chilies that give the curry its signature color and initial fiery punch. The sweet is not meant in a sugary sense, but rather denotes a fragrant, mild sweetness that comes from the fresh herbs and coconut milk, creating a harmonious and mellow flavor profile that balances the intense heat. While its foundational elements were established centuries ago, the curry as it is known globally today is a more modern phenomenon. The widespread availability of canned coconut milk in the 20th century transformed it from a labor-intensive dish, often reserved for special occasions and ceremonial feasts, into a staple of everyday Thai home cooking. This accessibility allowed it to become a national dish, beloved across all regions. Its presentation is also iconic. The bright green hue swirled with the creamy white of coconut milk, always garnished with a final flourish of fresh sweet basil, deep-fried chilies, and a wedge of lime, often served alongside rice noodles, or more commonly, a plate of steaming jasmine rice. From the royal courts of old Siam to the bustling street food stalls of modern-day Bangkok, Thai green curry has journeyed through history. It is a dish that encapsulates the Thai genius for adaptation, taking a foreign ingredient like the chili and, through centuries of culinary artistry, transforming it into an essential element of a uniquely Thai creation. It stands as a vibrant testament to a cuisine that values complexity, balance, and profound flavor, a beloved symbol of Thailand's rich and flavorful history served in a bowl. The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.